In task 1 we have components called IR sensor and temperature sensor. Next we have light, okay, or fan. And second one, so we have timer concept, okay, there is no hardware required, and we require light. Then we require LCD. So we have this much of components. So first of all, include all the necessary libraries, or just I will define the necessary pins as defined. So one is LM35 or DST11, so we can use LM35 A0, again as defined. For IR A1, again define. Fan 13 or 12 as defined. Light 12, okay, and we have LCD, so that's why I'm including LCD library, okay, and I will define the pins for that. LCD 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and then go for the initialization, okay, or setup mode. LCD dot begin 16,2, then pin mode, fan output, again light output, then IR input, then LM35 is equal to input. We're done with the setup, so then go for the reading. First of all, I will read the status of the IR sensor and the temperature first, okay. So just I will read temperature first, okay. Temp is equal to analog read of LM35, then go for reading, okay. Just I will convert this value, so temp is equals to temp into 0.5, okay. So after that I will read one more input device is called IR sensor, so digital read, IR, okay. First of all I will detect a person, or else we can say that, so first we go for the displaying the temperature, normal temperature, okay. LCD dot print temp, and again print LCD dot print temp. Okay, now I will get temperature value, okay. So first, before printing anything, just I will clear the display, okay. Now I am printing the temperature, so then I will go for the threshold value. If temp greater than or equal to threshold, okay, then print higher temperature, right? ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ, ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. And LCD dot set cursor, 0,1, then print higher temperature. Higher temp. Okay. So then we can give the delay. 1 second. So after that we need to check the whether person is entered or not. Okay. So that's why we are already making the count. Okay, just we need to detect on a person. If the person is detected, so then increment the count. So then I will take one more variable. So one variable is threshold. Okay, threshold, and another variable is count. Okay, we can initialize with the threshold value 33, and just I will count the number of persons. Okay, if person is equal to low, then I will increment the count. After that just use delay. So after that now I will check the condition in the threshold. Okay, if threshold reaches, then only I need to check the condition, right? So that's why I'm using if condition here. If count is equal to 1, okay, then turn on the fan. Okay, digital right fan comma 1. Okay, so if the count is 0, so then turn off the fan. Count is equals to 0, then turn off the fan. Okay, so you are checking, you are keep on incrementing this value. Okay, so you can also do that only 2 times. Okay, first of all, so you are detecting in a person. If the person is detected, the count will incrementing continuously. If the higher temperature is detected, then it will count, it will check the person inside the room or not. Okay, if it is there, then it will turn on the fan. If it is not, then it will turn off the fan. Okay, first condition is over. So now I will add one more condition or one more operation code. Just I will take unsigned long PT previous time. Okay, so then you can also take the time. Okay, just I will take so long time in second. Okay, time in second. Okay, so here at the starting, at the start we'll use unsigned long current time is equal to milli-e's. Then go for the condition. If okay, here if CT minus PT greater than equals to 1000, so then increment the time in second variable. Okay, so then you can easily go for the condition. So if time second less than equals to 60 second, okay, 60 second, so then it's day. So now I will turn off the light. Okay, digital light comma 0. Here see what you have taken here. So fan and light, okay, fine. Fan and light. So or else if, okay, just I'll copy this code. If time greater than 60 and less than equals to 90, then also you have to make it as high. Okay, so this is consider so this is the day. Okay, so from morning 6 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. Okay, so then here you can take this time between 60 second to 90 second as night. Okay, from 6 o'clock to night 12 o'clock. Okay, so like that. So in that time I will turn on the lights with full intensity. Okay, so then I will take one more condition. If the time is between 91 to 91 to and 122nd, then turn on the lights with 50% intensity. Okay, here we must turn on lights with 50% intensity. Okay, so but just I will write it as a digital light. Okay, so this is okay. After reaching 122nd we have to reset the timer, so that's why I will go for the time second greater than or greater than 120 basically. Okay, or greater than or equals to 120. So then make this variable as 0. Okay, so again after 122nd I will reset the timer. Okay, so now it will working fine. Okay, so this is your final code for task A. So just we need to add, okay, you guys need to update this code for LCD only. Okay, just put the LCD code, so where you want to display some okay, just interesting information. Okay, so like higher temperature is over and the person is entered or exist and then the fan is on and fan is off, light is on and it's a day, the light is on, it's night. Okay, and light is turn on with 50% intensity, so it's midnight. So itara, so you can display the information on LCD display. Okay, this is your final code. Just update the LCD code here. So now, so we have one more function in this task. Okay, that is nothing but, so we need to turn on lights with the 50% intensity. So then how we can do that? Okay, so just instead of digital light, so just I will use analog light. Okay, so that is nothing but the PWM technique. Okay, here will comes with the PWM technique. So PWM means what? So pulse width modulation. So why we require this technique? So to control the speed of your DC motors or control the intensity of the lights. Okay, so like that, in that operation, so you can use the uh, pulse width modulation basically. Okay, so that will control the on state of the pulse. Okay, so internally here we will use analog write instead of digital write to so make changes in the output signals. Okay, so here you can simply say that the pulse width modulation will operate based on the duty cycle, so it will set the duty cycles. So duty cycle means 50% duty cycle, 100% duty cycle. So all of you heard about this duty cycle, right? So just assume that this is the signal. Okay. So then we can say that, so this is the pulse signal with the 50% in duty cycles. Okay. So this is one cycle, right? So from here to here. So this is one cycle. So this one cycle is represented in the manner of 50% duty cycle. So that means you can see here the on time is same as off time. So that's why, so this is the 50% duty cycle. Okay. So this on width can be controlled using this technique. Okay. So that means of the pulse width modulation. So you can control this on width to whatever you may like. Okay. So like I want to control with 0% duty cycle or 25% duty cycle or 50% duty cycle or 100% duty cycle. Okay. So what that means, so 0 means what? So this is the low level signal. Okay. So this is the 0% duty cycle. So 25% means on time is only 25% and 75% is off time. Okay. So that's the mean of 25% duty cycle. So like this. Okay. So and what about 50%? So it has equal time split between the on and off like this. Okay. Okay. So this is 50%. And what about 100%? Okay, just I will take one more 75%. So 75% means, so on width is more than off width. Okay. Basically. So this is called 75 and 100% is what? So on time only. So like that we can control the pulse width modulations. So based on this we can control the speed of motors or intensity of the light. Okay. So that things will be do in the your Arduino IDE programming. Okay. So just use unlock write instead of, okay, how we are going to do that, just I will take a new file. Okay, new file, I will write unlock write program. Okay, so just take as define LED. Here we must use PWM pins. Okay, the Arduino Uno will provide 6 PWM pins. Okay, 3, 5, 6 and 9, 10, 11. So out of 6 pins you can use any one of the pin. Okay, so we already used with 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 5, 6 in the LCD, so that's why I'm taking it as 9. Okay, or I will take 10. So it is a PWM. So now I will make it as an output LED comma output. Then I can directly use the unlock write. Okay, so now you can see here unlock write. So LED comma, you have to provide the value instead of duty cycle. Here I will give the values. Okay, you can see here, so we have the duty cycle. So based on duty cycle it will change the pulse width, right? So now we don't have the duty cycles value, so instead of duty cycle value we will providing numbers. Okay, so like from 0 to 255. Okay, so 0 will indicate the 0% duty cycle. Okay, and 255 will indicate so 100% duty cycle. So in between, so you can vary. Okay, so based on the value, so it will set particular duty cycle. Okay, so like now I want to turn on with the 50% pins, so we have to use 127. Okay, so 255 divided by 2 is nothing but 127 you will get. Okay, so this is the value for setting the intensity into 50%. Okay, so like that, so we can decrement this value. Okay, so like that it will internally it will going to work. So now just I will take, so now first I need to change the LED, right? So light, so we have 9, 10, 11. So okay, you can use 11 or 10. Okay, so then you can use the, instead of digital right, so just I will use analog right, and 50% intensity, so we can go for 127. So or else I will go with the 50. Okay, so because of the dim light. Okay, so this is the another application. Okay, so this is about your task A program, complete program. Okay, so just see here, so we are doing here is, so we are converting whole day into okay, three parts. Okay, 24 hours you can say that, into three parts: 0 to 60, and 60 to 90, or 61 to 90, 91 to 120. Okay, so it's day, lights off, light off, and it's night, and the lights on with 100% intensity or full intensity. Okay, so then 91 to 120 is midnight, and turn on with 50% intensity. So ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?